ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഷോർട്ട് നോട്ട്സ് ഹബിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ എ ഷോർട്ട് നോട്ട് ഓൺ മൈഗ്രേറ്ററി ബേർഡ്സ്. Some birds come far off place in certain season. These are called migratory birds. These birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best ecological conditions and habitats for feeding, breeding, and raising their young ones. Migration is also an adaptation mechanism to help birds overcome weather adversities and unavailability of food in colder regions. Migratory birds have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly fast and over long distances. They have the ability to navigate with good accuracy. They use sun, the stars, Earth's magnetism, etc. for this purpose. Migratory birds play several essential and indispensable roles in the ecosystem. In Kerala, different types of migratory birds come in large numbers every year. Forest wagtail, paradise flycatcher, Indian pitta, brown-breasted flycatcher, back-naped oriole are some of the migratory birds that we can see in Kerala.